Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special video for you guys, which involves a special guest, my roommate. And we've known each other our entire lives too, so besties since birth. But yeah, so if you want to see how we did this look and also just us filming each other doing makeup together, please continue watching. Background change. We are in my dorm room or apartment room, whatever. We're in Arizona now. I'm gonna have her go through the palettes that I brought and she can use whatever one she wants, but have you looked really at any of these? So she has no idea what's inside of them.
I'm not makeup guru at all. I'm so bad at makeup. So this should be interesting, but
yeah. And then what kind of makeup do you like to do? What kind of colors do you like?
Literally, my daily routine of makeup is concealer, mascara, bronzer, blush, and then my eyebrows, and that's literally it.
So I'm gonna start by giving you a palette. So this is the first palette. This is the Morphe 39L Hit the Lights palette. This is the holiday palette. Okay, give your initial thoughts.
I feel like I'm in space. With this.
It's really pretty.
Yeah. Ooh, whoa, that looks like straight glitter.
It is.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, it is, pretty much.
I like all the colors, probably except for that one, but
so the only color she didn't like was this bright yellow one down in the corner, but everything else she liked.
I don't know if I can handle these bold of colors.
So this is a no-go.
I don't think so.
All right, we got our first no-go. Okay, our next one is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill palette. You've seen this one.
Maybe.
That one's been through some beating and bruising. I've used that one a lot.
No, wait, yeah, you did my prom makeup for this one. Okay, yeah, I liked that look.
Okay, good, I hope so.
No, I hated it.
So was that a yes or a no palette?
I could use that.
Okay, that's a yes palette. Okay, our next one is the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette.
A lot of straight glitter. That looks like, you know the things that come in tubes?
Glitter?
Yeah.
So this is a no-go. This is our next one, the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette.
Is it gonna break my jaw?
Yeah, very neutral.
Okay, I think I'd use this one. Wait. Literally, not even knowing which one I'm pointing to. That one.
Soaked or schnack?
Shoot.
Soaked.
Shoot. Or schnacked.
Schnack.
Oh my god.
Okay, so this is a no-go. The next one is the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette, which is the palette I used in my last video. You can open it. I struggle with opening that
I'm
one.
feeling like a euphoria.
Yeah, it's weird because it's so easy to open, but you're so nervous to pop it open.
Oh, I like this. Packaging. Wow.
The packaging is so pretty.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah? So this is a yes palette?
Yeah.
Okay, yes palette.
Excuse me. You know I never burp. I hate burping so much.
I can't believe I just witnessed the day.
Dang, I don't know where that came from. So it's Cheeto Puffs, man.
The next one is the ColourPop Yes Please palette.
Color Pop? Is that how you spell color? Color is spelled C-O-L-O-R.
I think there's two ways to spell it. Just like you can spell theater and theater and theatre. You know?
Oh, yeah, true. Keep your lips hydrated. Chapped lips is a no-no.
It's not attractive.
That's why I put on two.
So we have 5 palettes that Brookie has said yes to. Which one would you like to use?
I'll use your Jaclyn Hill palette then.
So the Jaclyn Hill palette is the winner. Here you go.
This should be really interesting because I'm so bad at makeup.
Are you sitting on the palette? Sits down on my Jaclyn Hill palette.
I'm gonna challenge you.
Okay.
Have you ever let someone pick your colors?
No.
Bold or no?
I don't really care. It's makeup. I can take it off if I don't want to wear it out. I'm so bad at this. She's like, I'm gonna challenge you. I don't know what I'm doing.
I like this one. We should do this one.
Okay.
You can pick your own colors because I don't know. I'm not color coordinated.
Okay, the palettes we picked to use today are
Jaclyn Hill.
And then mine's the Morphe 29L Hit the Lights palette.
I always forget you start with eyeshadow first.
I only start with eyeshadow first if I'm doing a very bold eye look that could have fallout. On my normal makeup, I start with my face first. Okay, we're gonna start with eyebrows. Our dads have been best friends since 4th grade, so we were born.
Shout out to our dad. Does he watch your videos?
No. So we have known each other since birth.
This is so hard. I don't know how you do this.
I usually only use this too.
That's it?
Most of the time. Like, I've done a full glam face with like glitter and everything, and all I had was this mirror and kitchen light. What I'm gonna do next is grab concealer and conceal my eyebrows.
Wait.
Oh my god, twins. So we've literally been friends since birth. Like, we've grown up together. So tell them your favorite story about us growing up while I do my eyebrows.
You know this. One summer we spent like the entire summer together. Like, I literally lived at your house. I think we were like 12 or we were in middle school, I know that.
Yeah, we were. I think it was like 8th grade or something.
That was the summer where, like, remember Vine was like so popular?
Vine was huge.
Vine was so popular, and like the MagCon boys and like all that jazz.
We met Hayes Greer together. That was my birthday gift to her. I got her tickets for Hayes Greer.
You should insert the clip.
I will insert. Okay.
Meeting with them was like completely fine, and then mine was like so bad. So bad. Bye.
We look so young.
Yeah, it was just really awkward. But, so that was like the big summer that we spent together. So one day we were at her house out on the lake swimming, and her neighbor had a tree swing. Is that what you
Tree swing.
Tree swing. And it was like a really thin rope. Like tied to this branch, and then like this handle. I don't know how to explain this handle.
It's like a stick.
It was like a stick.
It's a long stick, and that's the handle.
It was probably like that thick too. Like,
yeah.
It wasn't that thick. And it was like a simple knot tied around it. And so there's a couple memories of on the lake, but this is one of them. She was like, we had her paddle boards out there, and we were just climb the tree and then swing, and then yeah. So she was like trying to get the like swing to like swing the paddleboard around to the tree, so she grabbed onto the thing. I have to stand up and do this.
Okay.
You had to like swing your hips around to like pull the board. So she swings her hips around, and the thing breaks. Like she literally just like backs.
The wooden stick just slips out of the rope, and I'm like putting all my weight, and I'm like leaning back. The board is like way in front of me, and it just let go, and I just fell back.
And then you kicked Anna in the face.
Oh my gosh, I didn't mean to. It was 4th of July. Our dads grew up together, and they had another friend, and her daughter goes to the same school as us, and so we've all 3 grown up together. We were with her actually the other night, but one 4th of July, the tree swing was up, and I was like, guys, let's go on the tree swing. And Anna was in the danger zone, and I was like, Anna, you gotta move, girl, like. And she was like, no, I'm fine here. And I was like, okay. So I fly off of the tree swing, and my heel smacks her straight in the face and like bruised her cheek. Like, it was so bad. Okay, next we have to prime our eyelids. You can use concealer. You can use concealer. You're gonna need more than that.
Oh, is that good enough? No.
Okay, I'm gonna dip into this brown shade first. This lighter brown shade.
I wonder if they have like, you know, like you can go and take tech classes.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if they do that for makeup.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, they're called master classes.
Who teaches them? Like, oh my gosh.
Like, do you remember Mario and Kim Kardashian did master classes?
Who's Mario? Is that her stylist?
What was my favorite memory growing up? Brookie and I are also ultimate Wii players.
Mm-hmm.
Like, Wii tennis was our crap. Well, we're roommates now. I feel like that's even crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Like, we grew up together, and then we, like, with our families and everything, and now we're growing up together when we're, like, on our own. Oh, yeah,
I lived in here for, like, 2 weeks.
She took our beds. You can, like, take off the mattress. Took her mattress and moved it into my room and slept on my floor for, like, 2 weeks. It was kind of fun, though.
And then it was fun. It was a learning experience. Apparently, we both talk in our sleep.
We don't talk, we scream.
Which is, like, kind of concerning.
Like, we'll wake up from dreams and we'll be like, ah, from the dream. And another one will be like, bro, you good? And then it'll be like, yeah, dream.
Wow, that smells so good. Rose?
Mm-hmm.
Ironic.
Ha. Ooh, I know what we could do later. Run around campus and try to find the person who stole my longboard.
You're kidding. Guys, I found my board. Oh my gosh. No.
Should we do impressions?
We can't sing.
Or you can do Celine Dion.
That is how I know you go on. Hello?
But I actually have a good brush because you know who picked it out?
Who?
You.
Oh, I did.
I've never baked before, or whatever you call it.
I'm just setting.
Oh.
Right now I don't really.
No.
I only bake if it's like I'm going out for like a long night. Like if I'm going to like prom or something.
Prom? How's your prom?
I only went once. Because Horizon, well, I guess like 3 times, but I went to Lake Ridge's my junior year. And then I went to Horizon's junior and senior year. And I didn't go to Lake Ridge junior year because I was in a relationship.
Yeah. Prom was fun.
I had a good time.
I did too.
At mine.
It's funny because like the actual prom itself is never fun.
But getting ready is so
And
fun.
the party bus is fun.
Yeah, and then like after is fun.
Pictures is fun.
My senior year one was really fun. Just a lot. Just
Is it bad?
But we both have scars.
Are you kidding? Okay. I always get asked about this. They're like, bro, what happened? Did someone like try to slit your throat? I'm like, no, I just kind of like had a cyst on my thyroid that was almost cancerous.
Really?
Yeah, it could have been cancerous.
I didn't even know
Well,
that.
they didn't know, so they took it out and then they sent it to a lab and it wasn't, but it could have developed into cancer.
Wow, so it's good that they got it out. When
Yeah,
they
but
did.
now I have one on my kidney, so like so many tests done. Oh my, cray. And then I had a lot of tests done, and now I take like medication for it. And then I got this out at the
See,
same
yours
time.
are like serious. Mine's like I got hit in the face with a water ski, and they glued my face incorrectly, and so now I have a hole in my face.
You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to the library
Why?
to do homework.
I don't have any.
This is like the best I've ever done my makeup.
I've always thought your makeup was really pretty.
What's the lip scrub? Can I try it? You just put it on your lips?
You don't need a lot, just a little bit.
What does this do?
Makes your lip smooth and gets all the dead skin off of it, so that when you apply lip,
It's going into my mouth.
you can eat it. It's sugar.
What? Really?
Yeah. Some people think it's gross because like you're eating your dead skin. Remember when someone went into my room and stole my makeup?
Yeah.
Do you want me to spray your face?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want Jeffree Star Strawberry or the normal Morphe?
Whichever one's better.
This one, they're like the same, but this one smells the best. You look like I'm about to punch you in the face.
Not even fair.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't be afraid to like, subscribe, comment. Also, our socials and products I use will be linked down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching. I don't know if you could do that. What?